So we're writing this number here in standard form. So the first part in standard form is to have it's going to be a number goes in here times 10 to the power of some other number up here. The power or the exponent goes up there. So to determine this piece, this has to be a number between 1 and 10. We move the decimal point. So in this case we have to move it to the right. So we're moving it 1, 2, 3 hops. Okay, so we're going to end up with a 3 up here, and because this is a small number, or we move to the right with the decimal point, because this is a small number, this number up here will be negative, -3, and the number that goes in here, 1, 2, 3, will be 3.54. So tidying that up gives us 3.54 times 10 to the power of -3, and our units there are meters. And in the next part of the question we're asked to write this number in engineering form. Well, engineering form is just a specialized case of standard form, and the requirement for engineering form is that the power here has to be a multiple of 3. So it has to be a 3, a 6, a 9, etc. And it just so happens that we already have this with a power of 3. So this now here is standard form, and it's also in engineering form, which you can check with the calculator because there's an engineering form button. So we have 0.00354, and we can press the eng key and press equals first. Now it expresses a fraction. I'm going to press the eng key here, ENG, and get 3.4 by 10 to the -3. So that's our number in standard form and engineering form. And next up we want to put it into SI prefix form. Now if we look up page 45 in the log tables, or maybe it'll be in the back of the exam sheet, but you should have a set of log tables also. This brown book here. We can see these prefixes, list of prefixes, and if we go down along and look for our 10 to the -3, here it is, and the prefix for 10 to the -3 is small m, which stands for milli, as in millimeter. So we can replace our 10 to the -3 here with our small m, because from our prefix page 10m equals 10 to the -3, so this gives us 3.54 millimeters. The second m standing for meters, not milli. This would be the normal way to express it. So that's 3.4 millimeters, and that's our answer now in SI prefix form.